biggest thing is Botox and fillers. The minute we bring that up, they'll say, no, I've heard awful things, or it's going to make me look frozen, or it's going to make me look different, and things like that. Honestly, to tell you, Botox did not come into the market for cosmetic reasons. It came in to take care of a lot of neurological problems like cerebral palsy and things like that. And the minute we talk about these things, they kind of start to realize how Botox is like any other drug, like your paracetamol, needs to be administered properly by a trained professional. A lot of the times when you see these frozen things or overdone things, it's the provider that is not advocating for their client and doesn't know when to hold back. I think finding somebody that is very conscious and will say no to you even when you want it as yes is the right person, I feel. And a lot of the times they don't know a whole lot about these things. Like fillers are hyaluronic acid that's there in our body. We are injecting in areas where there is a volume loss, or we need to add volume in those areas. So they are very, very safe drugs, but you gotta find legit. Make sure you check everything before it's being injected into your face or wherever it is.